GM, everyone. Glad to see you all here. We're going live from Zuitzerland this time in the Swiss Alps for one of the Zuzalu related pop-up cities. And yeah, super excited. Some people might join us here live IRL, so let's see. But yeah, excited to see bunch of you here. It's gonna be a pop-up city / network state / Zuzalu themed trivia this time. So yeah, let's see if you've have enough knowledge about it to get some GLM home. So yeah, excited to have you here. How are you guys doing? How's it going, Renee?
Yeah, sir. I'm happy to be here and to learn more about this. I'm very excited for this. I imagined when you started talking about the Zuzalu and Switzerland. I imagine a tech city and very cyberpunk things.
Yeah, it's actually more like a ski resort really here, but without the snow. So, but yeah, the discussions we're having are definitely feel like what you just shared there. So yeah, a bit of a mix, I would say. So yeah, let's wait a few more minutes for more people to join. I've already started sharing my screen. If you want to start joining the Kahoot, I'm gonna paste the link here. 1 second. There we go. Hey, we have our first. Don't worry, Mike, we'll wait for you. Here is the link. Let's do something different this time. I think this way it won't get lost if people want to join, but also can join Kahoot.it and input the code 5934488. There we go. Kahoot.it. It's easier view. Click on the link, of course, but nice. I see some people joining. Hey, and Wasabi's here, ready to rock. Lumina as well. Crushed it last time in the Spanish one. Let's go. Wait, let me turn on my camera here as well. GM from Zuitzerland. Actually, the room here is not that interesting, so cannot show you the mountains from here, unfortunately. Oh. Hey, hello. We have some friends joining. We are already live on Discord with the Octant community. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do a Kahoot about pop-up cities, so should be fun if you guys want to join. It's kind of like a trivia, so maybe I can explain quickly. It's gonna be 12 questions, and you'll have like 4 different answers. The faster you reply, the more points you get, and also you just need to answer the correct answer, and yeah. And there are some questions that have multiple choice, or like that you can pick multiple. So I will let you know when that pops up. But nice, we have a few people joining us here. Maybe I can give you a quick intro about what Octant is doing while some people join. Basically, we have 100,000 ETH staked, and with the rewards, we fund public goods. And now,
What?
yeah,
Oh,
I'm with Octant.
no.
I joined recently.
Okay.
Yeah, so as a community lead. So yeah, now we're shifting more towards like a growth engine for other ecosystems so that kind of they can do the same with their treasuries, stake and allocate their staking rewards to their ecosystems, and at the same time fund Ethereum, like a percentage of the yield that they generate is going to like a Ethereum sustainability fund. So yeah, that's Octant in a nutshell. Nice. We have a bunch of people here. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's hard to get. It's hard to get. Yeah, but what? Yeah, should be. Yeah, in the next rounds, we're gonna focus a lot more on Ethereum, like yeah, Ethereum alignment. But we always have like some other initiatives, like for other communities to help us grow. So maybe there.
It's just a massive fund, and you don't touch the fund; you touch just
the yield.
Here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's like it. Well, science funds do. Well, trust those science.
Right.
So what was one like that for T-side makes close?
Yeah, yeah.
You just need some.
Exactly. I mean, we can. I think if we aggregate a bunch of projects, we can do something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, would be cool to set it up. Okay, I think we have a bunch of people here. I always play because we have like this kind of medieval theme. Let me give you some cards. So this. No, actually, this is like just like the tool. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. And you. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Maybe you can speculate. But so it's kind of like a fantasy medieval theme, and we always play yeah this Bard core. Yeah, here are fresh packs for our Discord friends. We'll do. Donnie is coming here, so someone who's in the chat is coming here. So we'll save some for you. And of course, when you see us next, if you're not coming to Zuitzerland, we'll save. You'll get some for sure. Let's play some medieval songs. Can I do this? All right. Cool. Is everyone ready here? You guys ready? GM. Okay, I see more people joining, but let's get this started. Let me share the link again in case you are coming in a bit late and want to join. And yeah, if you're from mobile, maybe this is easier. Just go to kahoot.it and input this code. Cool. This is the music we play. All right. Cool. Let's get it started. Let's see, we have almost 20 people in. So that's a good crew. Oh. All right. Are you ready, friends? IRL and online? All right. First question. Topic is network states, Zuzalu and pop-ups. And who is the author of the network state book? Should be an easy one, maybe. With Vitalik Balaji Srinivasan, Saifuddin Amus, or Satoshi Nakamoto? Who is it? 5 more seconds. We have 18 answers, and how many participants? 19 or 20, I think. Knows this one. Mike, are you in? Oh, nice. 16 people got it right. Indeed. Well, Vitalik is, of course, you all know, the founder of Balaji, work at Coinbase and a bunch of stuff and wrote the Statebook. Saifuddin Amus is the author of Bitcoin Standard. And, well, we all know Satoshi Nakamoto is the founder or founders of Bitcoin. And let's see what's the scoreboard. Tony on top. B second. That is B. That's you? Oh, nice. Awesome. Lawrence, third. Which one are you? Yurkos? All right. We have 2 of our friends IRL here on the leaderboard. Cool. Let's go to the next question. Where was the first Zuzalu organized? Andorra, Montevideo, Montenegro, or Georgia? Yeah. Speed matters, remember, but don't get tricked by the by the answers here. Oh, thank you, Dorgadas. No worries. I had to disconnect the music. All right, Montenegro, only one person. Yeah, one person got caught. And Andorra is not the correct answer. It's Montenegro. That was in 2023, I think May, something like that, March to May. And yeah, I was not there, but I think Dan, you were there. You were also there. Nice. So maybe some people in the chat were there. I don't know. All right, let's see what's the scoreboard. Oh, there you go. Barat is on the first, IRL here, Graven second, Lumina third. We have Kos IRL here on the fourth. Oh, it's a tie in third place. Damn. And Wasabi, as always, slowly creeping in. Very nice. All right, let's go to the next question, which is, which CK-based identity service is used by Zuzalu residents? ZooPass, Zuzalu.id, ZooPort, or ZooID? Go fast. Remember, faster, the more points you get. What? Oops. All right, 14 correct answers, and 5 people got it wrong. It's ZooPass. This was developed by the Surex Park team, who was also in Montenegro, and yeah, this still gives you access to Zuzagora, for example. That is the place where Zuzalu-related discussions happen, but also, well, if you've been to DEF CON or DEF Connect, they also use ZooPass as a technology to issue tickets. So yeah, let's see. Let's check what the scoreboard is. Nice, our IRL friends here on top. Let's go. Lumina third, Wasabi fourth, and Graven fifth. Very nice. Our usual suspects trying to beat our IRL friends here. All right. Let's go for the next one. Where did the pop-up archipelago happen? Bangkok, Thailand, Chiang Mai, Thailand, Montenegro. Some people got tricked here. It seems. Let's see. Oh.
What is this place? I'm in 10th place now.
Oh. Our friend.
It's actually better to be on speed.
And Toss is on the first now. Very good. They went into the 10th. So keep your scores. Yeah, very good. We have some changes in the leaderboard as well. Samuel showing up and Lawrence. Go fast, friends, if you want to win. And don't misclick like me. All right. Auto clicker IRL. Yeah. No, I'm controlling here. They're not cheating. But they have an advantage because they've been to like a bunch of pop-up cities, so must say that. All right. Next question. When was Zuzalu officially decentralized? May 2023, December 2023, May 2024, or October 2024?
Easy. Bring them easy.
Easy?
Ah, fuck up.
Do you know? Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, December 2023. All right. This one's hard actually. Probably not many people know this, but Vitalik. Back to podium. Let's see the podium. Let's see the podium. In the meantime. He is back. But Toss still on the first one. It's getting heated here. So we have some new people who joined us here IRL. So let me give them some instructions because we're also streaming this on the Discord community. You can go to Kahoot.it, so Kahoot.it, and input that game pin. That's 5934488. Yeah, you can still join, but you will have like a big disadvantage because like there's a bunch of questions answered already. But who knows? Sometimes you might be able to climb up the leaderboard. There's prizes for the first 3 GLM tokens. It's 800 for the first, 400 for the second, and 200 for the third. Let's see. Who in the chat? Who can tell me how much is 800 GLM worth? 180, like $200 more or less. Nice. Thank you, friends. Oh, I see some more people joined here. Good. All right. Did you manage to join, guys? Yeah? Okay, cool. Yeah, we can wait a bit. Yeah, I was giving some context about the last question. Yes, Graven is right. 800 GLM is 800 GLM. Yes. Let's go. Okay, that might get 100 GLM for best meme, honestly. Yeah, so Vitalik decided to decentralize with the community in December 2023 after the first Montenegro experiment and the Zoo Connect that happened in Istanbul. And since then, there's been a bunch of pop-up cities popping up all around the world. So yeah, Zuitzerland, that's one of the one we're sitting at right now, is one of them. So yeah, are we all in now? Yeah. All right. Yes, they're ready to answer. Yes, because the faster you click, no, you cannot join.
You'll be able to join soon. Yeah, but
Okay.
you have to wait there for him to.
Yeah, I'll click next and then yeah. And yeah, so the faster you click the right answer, the more points you get as well. So that's how these people here are on top. Say it again.
Could I not read the question? You speak it.
Up to you. Up to you. Up to you.
Click on the same spot. I'll be answering. 25% chance.
Yes. All right. Next question. Let's see. What was the mechanism used to fund pop-up cities and Zuzalu Tech after the decentralization? Quadratic funding, quadratic voting, conviction voting, or quadratic funding and Macy?
Well, technically there are two, so it depends which one you talk.
The first one. The first one.
Yeah, it depends. Macy was at the end, not used in the first round.
Yeah.
She was in the second.
So first one. It's the first one. Yeah, 10 people got it right. It was simple quadratic funding that was used to allocate the funds to different pop-up cities and Zuzalu Tech. There was a second round, indeed, like our friends IRL here were saying, that indeed used Macy as a privacy tool together with quadratic funding. So, oh yeah, good question. Quadratic funding is kind of like an allocation mechanism in which you have a matching pool. So let's say $100,000 that a sponsor donates, and then you have donations from people. And the way these $100,000 are allocated is based on how many different people donate to different projects. So if a project has $101 donations, gets a lot more allocated than a project that received a $100 donation from a single person. Is that it's sometimes hard to but if you think of voting, because funding implies that the people who vote donate money, but if you think of it as voting, is like the projects that receive the votes from the largest amounts of people rather than kind of only a few people that get the biggest amount of funds. So yeah, some cool conviction voting is, I think some teams are building this, which could be interesting in the future, but let's see. All right, let's check out the leaderboard now. Oh,
Bahrain is coming.
Cause but slowly creeping.
Obviously.
Cos first got his first place right there, and Samuel on the third. Let's go. Very nice. Let's see. Okay, up 5 places. Estela is the highest climber. Congrats. Ready for the next? Ready for the next, friends? Let's go. What's a key difference between Vitalik's Zuzalu and Balaji's network state? Work-oriented versus education-oriented, Europe-based versus Asia-based, decentralized versus founder-led, or Ethereum-oriented versus Bitcoin-oriented?
All of them.
All of them are. There's one that is like very obvious.
Yeah.
The answer. The other ones are very debatable. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people got it right. It's decentralized versus founder-led. Let's see what the leaderboard says. Oh, only one change here. Lawrence above Samuel. Samuel went to the 4th place now.
Come back, Lumina.
Lumina, you gotta make it. Get faster fingers, and yeah, Cos is rocking it with a streak of 7. Let's go. All right. Next question. Yes, you have to come to the next zoo. What's the name of the first longevity-focused pop-up city that's now separated? Vitruvius, Vitalica, Vitalu, or Italia? What's the answer? Yeah, let's see. Nice, nice. It's Vitalia. Yes, two people thought it's Vitalica. That would be for sure a more rockstar name, but they didn't pick it for whatever reason. If Vitalica sounds like Italica, the Mexican people know what it is. What is Italica? Enlighten us, Rene. What is Italica? Oh, yeah. Let's see. What is the scoreboard now? Samuel back to the third place. Very nice. Oh, and nothing changed in the first and second. The battle between Cos and B still on. Let's see. Oh, it's a Italica is a motorcycle name, a brand that's low cost. Thank you, Rene. Okay, next question. This might be multiple choice. Yeah, you can select more than one. What are the names of the two forks of Vitalia? Infinita City, Viva City, Vitalia 2, or Lifeline? Oh, right. Cause getting excited. Let's see, get your answers in.
Oh, yeah, let's do so.
Nice, yeah, it's Infinita City and Viva City. Those are the two Italian forks.
I had like 2 months talking to Lawrence, like, what's the name?
Really? Some insights from here. They were not deciding on the name.
What is this? Sounds weird.
Viva City.
No, that one's okay.
Yeah. So yeah, these are the two projects that are kind of the Vitalia forks right now. Do you know where they are taking place? Actually, I think.
Infinita City, Prospera, Honduras, and Viva City.
So.
Yeah.
Ah, from Zero Travel. Yeah. So Infinita. All right.
I don't know if it's much.
Nice. Yes, Infinita is indeed in Honduras, like the chat is saying, in Prospera. And Viva City, they're hosting it at the, what's the name of the tower? Frontier Tower in San Francisco. And there might be something happening in Dubai as well. The chat is complaining that I brought these zoo nerds to play. Yeah, I told you it's gonna be a hard day to win, but yeah, pop-up city in the Dominican Republic. Yeah, that would be cool. We have the info, but yeah, people here are in favor of wasabi, so make it happen. Make it happen. All right, let's see what's the scoreboard. Any changes? Oh, no changes. Interesting. Let's see if we have something in the next question. 10 of 12. Multiple, you can select as many as possible. What does the D in DAC stand for? Decentralized, defensive, democratic, or differential? What are the right answers? You can pick as many as you want.
I think it was all of them.
And it's all of them. Is there a contest here? What is the real answer? Tell us. Yeah, so it's all of the above. So you could pick all of them. Differential is probably the kind of weirdest one, but it is the correct answer. So let's see. Oh, no changes except Lawrence is now Samuel fourth. Whoa, this is getting spicy on the first and second place, and on the third and fourth. Because it's cheating.
How many left? Two?
Whoops. We have two more questions, yes.
Oh my God.
So this is gonna get heated. And the last question is double points. I know.
Also, it's double play.
Yeah, the last one. I know Mike here always asks for that, so we heard you and we got it, sir. All right. Let's go. Next question.
Oh my God. Okay.
Multi-select. What's Switzerland's primary goal? Build a permanent hub in Switzerland, create a moving university in Switzerland, take over a Swiss canton, or a future society sandbox.
All of the above again.
I mean, take over Swiss Alps.
Take over a Swiss canton. Is it one of the primary goals?
Why not? Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, I got it.
It's build a permanent hub in Switzerland and a future society sandbox. Those are the primary goals listed in the website. What? Ah, I like it. I like
I
it.
really like
Yeah.
it.
Yes. Let's build more future society sandboxes. Yeah, check out the Switzerland homepage. It's pretty cool if you wanna learn more about what we're doing. I'm gonna put it in the chat here.
Glad people are not aggressive now to go to this.
Yes, actually true.
And that should obviously be some honest content.
Maybe. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Okay, let's see what's the leaderboard now. Oh, still a few more points for B to reach cost. Maybe with the double points. Maybe with the double points. And we also have Samuel above Lawrence now, and Estela even on the 4th place. So exciting times in this Dragon's Den today. All right. Are we ready for the next one? Are we ready? Okay. For double points, what were the locations of each city so far? Denver, Esmeralda, Lana, Austin, Crecimiento, New York, San Francisco, Cape Town, Amsterdam, Denver, Hellsburg, Chiang Mai, Austin, Cape Town, Denver, Hellsburg, Bhutan, Austin, Buenos Aires. Tricky question. It's the locations. It's the locations. So this might have been a trick. Oh, let's see. What's the podium? What's the podium? Mike on the 3rd. Peter on the 2nd. And Costs on the 3rd. Say hi. You wanna show up in camera? What's that before? Oh, you came in close. But congrats. So you get 800 GLM, you get 400 GLM. Mike, you get 200 GLM, and we're gonna give 100 to Graven for the great meme today. Congrats. Thank you all for participating. This was a lot of fun, especially with the IRL online here dynamic. So thank you for coming on. And Mike, who was requesting the double points, actually made it to the leaderboard. So that was awesome. Congrats, Mike. Very cool. I think the double points is actually pretty cool. I'll start doing this more. Yeah. Samuel and Lawrence were fighting for the 3rd place and didn't get it in the end. So that was also pretty exciting to see. And yeah, Mike, please DM Durgadas on Discord to get your prize. Also, you guys, I'm gonna send you the link to our Discord, and so you DM Durgadas to claim your prize. You know Durgadas?
Oh my God.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's an epic name.
Not that many do.
Yes. So thank you so much for coming. This was super fun. See you next week. for another Dragon's Den and the town hall on Thursday. Yeah, glad to see you all here and see you next one. Bye bye.